Hello friends, welcome to Ingenious Kids World. In this video, I'll show you how to turn simple ideas into eye-catching YouTube thumbnails using Thumbs.AI. You'll learn how to generate thumbnail ideas using prompts from ChatGPT and Gemini. Create thumbnails with the text-to-thumbnail feature, use recreate mode, enhance faces and emotions, clone successful channel styles, and apply powerful design effects like 3D pops and glowing elements that helps your thumbnails stand out. I'll also show you how to use the thumbnail downloader and transform existing thumbnails into fresh, unique designs for your own videos. But before we dive in, let's take a look at some optimized thumbnails. Here are some thumbnails I've created using Thumbs.AI. As you can see, they are vibrant, professional, and designed to grab attention and increase clicks. Before we dive into the main tutorial, I've got some amazing news. If you are a first-time user registering now, Thumbs.AI has a special promotion running for everyone joining the platform. When you sign up, you get a jump start with 3 free thumbnails, equivalent to 6 points. And after your first design, you'll get additional 10 points for 5 more generation tasks added to your account. It's a total of 8 free thumbnails waiting for you. It's a great way to give your channel a professional look. So go and sign up at Thumbs.AI today. Stay tuned until the end of this video, where I'll reveal one important factor that can help you get better results with Thumbs.AI and create more eye-catching thumbnails. Now let's explore the style cloning feature in Thumbs.AI. Simply log in, then open the Recreate Thumbnail tool and upload a thumbnail you'd like to use as inspiration. Thumbs.AI will analyze the design style and help you create a new thumbnail based on it. Next, enter a thumbnail prompt or describe your video so Thumbs.AI can understand the content you want to create a thumbnail for. You can also upload your own thumbnail and choose a photo and reference clone style, although both of these are optional. In advanced settings, you can select the aspect ratio 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for Shorts, and choose how many thumbnail variations you'd like to generate from 1 to 6. Once everything is set up, simply click Generate and let Thumbs.AI create eye-catching thumbnail options for your video. For this demonstration, I used a plane crash concept and selected the style of Mr. Beast's channel as a reference. I then generated 2 variations by slightly modifying the prompt, showing how different prompts can produce unique thumbnail ideas while maintaining a similar high-impact style. Now let's take a look at Pro Design Effects. To get started, open the Create Thumbnail tool and enter a thumbnail prompt describing your video. You can also upload your face and choose a reference or clone style. For even more customization, you can select styles from different categories such as subject, text, background, and hook, or use your own saved styles under My Style. Once everything is ready, click Generate Thumbnail and let Thumbs.AI create multiple high-conversion visual thumbnail options for you. Now let's try the text-to-thumbnail feature. I'll enter a thumbnail prompt, click Generate Thumbnail, and let Thumbs.AI create thumbnail ideas from scratch. Let's explore the AI Face Expression Generator. To get started, head over to My Face and Emotion on the left and upload a photo of yourself. You can give the face a name and then choose from a variety of expressions including shocked, angry, sad, laugh, fearful, smile, and confusion. If you have a specific expression in mind, you can also describe it using a custom prompt. Once you've selected an emotion, click Generate, and Thumbs.AI will create a version of your face with that expression. Next, let's take a look at YouTube Thumbnail Downloader. This tool allows you to extract thumbnails from YouTube videos and channels for research and inspiration. You can download a single thumbnail or use batch mode to extract multiple thumbnails at once. Simply paste the YouTube video URL. In this example, I'm using a thumbnail from Mr. Beast's channel to study its design style and understand what makes it so eye-catching. You can also adjust the export settings based on your needs before extracting and saving the thumbnails. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the dashboard. On the left side, you can easily access all the main tools we've covered, including Explore, Create Thumbs, Recreate Thumbs, Template, Analyze, and other AI tools as they become available. You'll also find the Assets and Creation section, where all of your generated and tested thumbnails are stored for easy access. In the Assets and Creation section, you can also see all the thumbnails you've generated along with the thumb score. This score helps you evaluate the quality of your thumbnail. If the score is below 70, it usually means the design needs improvement. It's easier to quickly compare your thumbnail variations and understand which designs are more likely to perform better. We've already explored My Face and Emotion, and the My Style feature is currently marked as coming soon. If you would like to access to additional features and higher usage limits, you can upgrade your Thumbs.AI subscription. There are different plans available including Premium, Ultimate, and Master, each offering different levels of access and benefits. You can review the plan details shown on the screen and choose the option that best fits your needs. The key to getting the best results from Thumbs.AI is not rushing the prompt. Before you click Generate, take a moment to read it through and make sure it clearly communicates your idea. A clear and detailed prompt helps Thumbs.AI understand exactly what you're looking for, allowing its AI to create the most accurate and eye-catching thumbnails possible. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it useful. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching Ingenious Kids World. See you in the next video. Bye.